He thought his billions made him untouchable until he disrespected the wrong judge. And justice hit harder than any fortune could protect. Everyone in courtroom 4B stood as the judge entered. Everyone, except Gregory Harlan, billionaire CEO of Harlan Tech. He lounged in his leather chair like it was a boardroom. His $10,000 suit barely creased. He didn't flinch when the bailiff said, "All rise." "I don't rise for anyone who earns less than I pay my driver," Gregory muttered with a smug grin. Gasps rippled across the courtroom. But the judge, Honorable Maya Delacroix, gave no reaction. Calm, composed. Gregory was being sued by a group of former employees, engineers. He'd fired for blowing the whistle on dangerous tech he rushed into market. A boy had nearly died. His parents were in the courtroom, but Gregory thought this was all beneath him. He whispered to his lawyer, audibly mocking the judge's robe. "Why do they all wear the same thing? Must be hard for them when they don't have brands to choose from." The entire courtroom could hear him. Then came the twist. Judge Delacroix asked calmly, "Mr. Harlan, is it true you declined to stand in my courtroom?" He smirked. "I stand for no one." The judge nodded, then pressed a button. A screen behind her lit up. A video played. Security footage from Gregory's own corporate office. He was screaming at a janitor for not standing fast enough when he entered the room. "You rise when power walks in," he yelled in the clip. "Because respect is earned in wealth, not a robe." The room froze. The judge took off her glasses slowly. "Mr. Harlan, in this courtroom, respect is not bought. It's earned. And today, you'll learn that." She turned to the plaintiff's lawyer. "I am fast-tracking this case. Evidence will be heard. And if misconduct is proven, Mr. Harlan may face criminal charges, not just fines." Bas, the verdict came days later. The jury found Gregory liable for gross negligence, wrongful termination, and intentional harm to public safety. The court awarded $88 million in damages to the victims, plus a mandatory public apology from Gregory himself. He tried to weasel out of it, until the judge gave him a choice. "You either not stand and apologize while in open court, or I'll hold you in contempt, and you'll stand in jail for 30 days. That's the day Gregory Harlan finally stood. Not for pride, not for image, but because he had no choice. "I apologize," he muttered. "To the engineers, to the boy, and to this court." For the first time, his voice trembled. Sometimes the biggest lesson comes not in losing wealth, but learning humility.